Hello, my name is Kushal. I work as a specialist occupational therapist in London. In this video, I'm going to talk about a little bit of philosophical question. That is who we are. Now, the common belief is that we are all different. But in this video, I'd like to question that. You must be thinking what I am talking about. So let's explain. Yes, I agree. On surface, we all look different. But I would ask you to think one quick question. We all breathe the same way because we all have lungs. More or less, the structure is same in everybody. There are differences in different people's lungs. I don't dispute that. Similarly, our brain is also structured almost similar way in everybody. But still we look different. And this is the secret that I want to discuss and bring to you, is that in my view, we all are same. But there are some biological differences which shapes our personalities, and it is our life experiences which shapes us who we are. It shapes our beliefs, it shapes our values, and it shapes how we respond in a situation. I'm just referring to two videos that I have done. One is on the CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, and one is on the fight and flight symptoms. Actually, our behavior mostly is controlled by these two systems. In particular, fight and flight plays a key role in deciding our personality and our responses and behavior. As we grow up, we experience different events. Either it is, and we learn from people around us, our parents, our siblings, our neighbors, our environment, our culture, all shapes our personality. And that's why in the early phases of our life, that secure relationship is so important. If we don't see a stable parental relationship, it does make our core vulnerable. And there has been a term called mental capital. So basically the mental capital is our ability to fight in adverse conditions. The more mental capital we have, we are better equipped to fight with any adverse situations. Instead of leading to a fight and flight response, if our mental capital is high, we are more likely to deal with an event without anxiety. We are going to deal with it with more greater control. And please remember, fight and flight means we are not bothered about the details, fine details. We are bothered about our safety. We only want to survive. And in that survival mode, we don't focus on the finer details. And when we miss those finer details, that's when our responses becomes erratic, and sometimes it can be irrational. So the best way to have a healthy response to an event is by staying calm. If we can prevent the trigger of fight and flight, we are more likely to develop a healthy response to any adverse situation. So going back to the original question, actually, in my view, the fundamentals of all our behavior, of our personalities are same. But it is our experiences makes us look different. But the key to our positive personality and identity is a experience of secure relationship, secure bonding in early childhood. I would expand on this later in my later videos, but thanks for watching. I hope this makes sense. I wish you all the best.